Hi guys, I'm Abigail from the Protect Our Breast National Executive Board, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY organic protein bite recipe that is just to die for. Blueberry ones! Making your own snacks with organic ingredients is a great way to avoid pesticides and plastic packaging chemicals such as phthalates and BPA that are commonly associated with many store-bought snacks. So, all you're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of organic oats, a half cup of organic almond butter, a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries, or any type of berry really, a tablespoon of organic honey, and a tablespoon of organic chia seeds. The organic label on all of these things guarantees that no synthetic pesticides, GMOs, or antibiotics were used during the production of these ingredients. So, you really just take all of these ingredients, put them together in a bowl, mix them up, and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so about 1 minute before that 30 minutes is up, you're gonna wanna wash your hands. The reason that you washed your hands is that you're gonna take this mixture and roll it into little balls. So fun! So there you have it. This is what it will look like. You will probably have more balls than me because I ate a bunch of it before it went in the fridge. Then I will take them, I will put them back in the fridge, and I will look forward to eating them all week.